Hi guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you that how to get a certification course of AutoCAD. So just go to your Google Chrome and just click to search, that is LEARN learn space BER and burn learn one. Just go to and click it here. This type of panel will open. Just go to this one, learn one free online courses. This is of course written here, the free online courses. Just go to click it here. If you want to learn AutoCAD, I'm just focusing on the AutoCAD software because here there is lot of courses are there. So just go for the lot of courses. See, there is technology, lot of programming, C programmings, like that programmings are there. But our business is about designing tool, right? So actually in designing tools also soft, there are a lot of things, CCS3 courses, but that's also not our business. Our business is mechanical and civil. There is mainly most of the people are using their software in mechanical as well as civil, that is AutoCAD software, and that's what we need. Just go to the AutoCAD source or course AutoCAD course. Now what is written here, so this type of bar will open. So now what you need to do means, here what it says, click here to enroll now for free. So if you click it here, it says you do sign up or sign in. If you have your account previously existed, then just go for sign in, but here for sign up for new creations. So sign up for new people registration, right? So just go for here username, keep your username as anything. So if your name, my name is Prem, I keeping as 123, right? So what's my Gmail ID? So my Gmail ID is this name, username already exists, so no problem. So I'm gonna change it, Prem. So at the rate, right? Please enter only letters and numbers. Just go for 321. So after that it has been accepted. You can see it, nothing is written here. So email address is this one. So I have already filled it here. Now this is my Premonier. What's yours? Just fill it here. Now what's your password would be? So I'm gonna write my password here. So you also do the same thing, right? That should be your own. Just go for copy and just go for paste it here. So it is not paste, just go for again, write the same password which you have written here. So now go for the number. This is my number. Now I am a student. If you are working, then no problem, India, Andhra Pradesh, referral. If you want to give, then you can. If you do not, just go for sign up. So here we have sent an account activation email. Please click on the activation link and activate your account, right? So after this, what we need to do means, we have enrolled. Now one mail ID has been sent to our Gmail, which we have kept it here. Means, see, go for your Gmail ID. Now it will take some time, whatever the Gmail you have kept it, just go through it. See, this is my Gmail which I have given here. So you can see I have opened my this the same mail which I have kept it for my learn one. So see, I have got mail from learn one. Just go and click it here. So see, hello Prem Gupta. So account activate. If I want to activate my account, just go to click account activate. I have gone through it. Now what I need to do, just go and watch it completely, you will understand. See, I have got it, right? So this is my username which I have got it here. So my dashboard, my course, my certificate, which result, my profile, this everything is written here. So now what you want to do, want to do what, which course? AutoCAD course. Just go for mechanical civil, just go to AutoCAD, just go for click it. Now you can see, click here to enroll now for free. So this is, of course, this is free course. If you want to learn this, you can get it for free, but if you want to get a certificate, then you need to pay something. So this is also very low cost to pay, and that will be affordable. So you can see, this would be your certificate of training. So that is quite very good for you if you are doing this. Actually, this certificate is previously it was unpayable, free of cost, but nowadays actually due to corona, due to lockdown, it has been a free. That's why, because right now it is not a free, you need to pay. If you want this type of certificate after the completion of your course, you will get this for 99. This is obviously, this is Indian currency. If you want for free, you will not get any type of certificate. So I'm going for free enroll. So if you want to get certificate, just go for 499 and you will learn. And this is very good platform to learn. So now you can see introduction of AutoCAD. So this is the very good platform. So learn everything in a very good way. See, once you start it, just here how to change it this effect. So how do you save or work space in AutoCAD? This is everything. This is now the introduction. Everything is in a good manner, and that will be really helpful for you. So here one thing is there. If you refer now, actually before you are creating your accounts in Learn1, you may have shown that referrer. So if you are doing, you may earn some credits. So if you have any concern with this, you may contact with this email and this WhatsApp. So see, this is introduction of AutoCAD, upgraded course, topics. This everything is there. If you have watched all the videos regarding this, you may, this would be 100%. And already if you have registered for that certificate course, after paying the 500 or 499 rupees, you will definitely get mail to your certificate in your Gmail from Learn1, and that is very, in that certificate you will get lot of things. There is QR code also attached in that certificate, and that is quite valid for everywhere in the world. Throughout the world you may get it. I hope you love this tutorial. If you really love this tutorial, please show your interest or show your support to us, and just to subscribe to our channel for getting lot of updates regarding our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting lot of updates towards from our channel. Thank you for watching this tutorial.